Do you want to speak English in daily life? In this video, you will learn the most common A1 and A2 English verbs. We grouped the verbs into easy categories like food, daily life, travel, and communication. Each verb comes with a simple example sentence. Watch, listen, and repeat. Let's start. Food and drink verbs. Eat. I eat an egg every day. Cook. My mother cooks dinner in the evening. Drink. She drinks tea every morning. Prepare. I prepare lunch for work. Order. We order pizza on Friday nights. Taste. Taste the soup, please. Buy. I buy fresh vegetables. Cut. She cuts the bread.
Boil.
I boil eggs for breakfast. Fry. He fries potatoes. Serve. They serve food at 7 p.m. Sports and activities verbs. Play. I play football after school. Run. She runs in the park. Walk. We walk to school. Swim. He swims every weekend. Exercise. I exercise at home. Train. They train every day. Watch. We watch the match on TV.
Join.
I join the basketball team. Climb. They climb the hill. Daily life verbs. Wake up. I wake up at 7. Sleep. He sleeps early.
Go.
I go to work by bus. Come. She comes home late. Stay. We stay at home on Sundays. Leave. I leave work at 6. Work. He works in an office. Rest. I rest on Sundays. Clean. She cleans the house. Wash. I wash my hands.
Fix.
He fixes the chair. School and study verbs. Study. I study English every day. Learn. We learn new words. Teach. She teaches math. Read. He reads a book. Write. I write emails. Listen. We listen to the teacher. Ask. I ask a question. Answer. She she answers correctly. Practice. Students practice grammar. Check. I check my homework. Repeat. Please repeat the sentence. Communication verbs. Speak. She speaks English. Talk. We talk after class.
Say.
He says hello.
Tell.
She tells a story. Call. I call my friend. Meet. We meet at the cafe. Invite. They invite us. Reply. He replies to the message. Explain. The teacher explains the rule. Agree. I agree with you. Shopping and money verbs. Buy. I buy new shoes.
Sell.
They sell clothes.
Pay.
I pay by card. Spend. She spends a lot of money. Choose. Who chooses the blue one? Try. He tries the jacket. Save. I save money.
Compare.
She compares prices. Return. I return the product. Feelings and opinions verbs.
Love.
She loves her job. Like. I like animals. Hate. He hates noise. Feel. I feel tired. Want. We want coffee. Need. I need help. Think. I think it's good. Hope. I hope you come. Enjoy. They enjoy the trip. Travel and transportation verbs. Travel. We travel by train. Visit. I visit my family. Arrive. They arrive on time. Leave. The bus leaves at 9. Drive. He drives to work. Take. I take the bus. Book. She books a hotel.
Check in.
We check in at the hotel. Carry. I carry my bag. Today you learned many useful A1 and A2 verbs. Try to use them in your daily life. Now it's your turn. How many verbs can you add to each category? Write them in the comments. For example, food verbs, daily life verbs, or travel verbs. Let's learn together. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.